this video, we're going to solve equations and think carefully about what the outcome means. Not every equation behaves the same way. Some equations have one solution. Some equations have no solution. Some equations have infinitely many solutions. Let's look at examples. First, 5x plus 7 equal to 3x plus 5 plus x. Let's start by combining terms on the right-hand side. 3x plus x is 4x. So we have 5x plus 7 on the left and 4x plus 5 on the right. Next, let's subtract 4x from both sides. When we do that, the left-hand side becomes x plus 7, the right-hand side becomes 5. Now we can subtract 7 from both sides. The left-hand side is now x and the right-hand side is -2. So this equation has a single solution, x equal to -2. Now let's look at a second equation. 5x plus 7 equal to 3x plus 5 plus 2x. We'll leave the left-hand side alone for the first step, and we'll combine the like terms on the right-hand side, the 3x and the 2x. When we do, that becomes 5x plus 5. Now, let's subtract 5x from both sides. When we do, the left-hand side becomes 7 and the right-hand side becomes 5. This is false. There's no value of x that can make 7 be equal to 5. So this equation has no solution, since we got a false statement whenever we tried to solve it. This may feel strange at first, but it makes sense. The variable terms were the same on both sides, but the constants were different. That created an impossible statement. Now, consider 4x minus 8 plus x equal to 2x minus 3 plus 3x minus 5. Let's combine like terms. On the left-hand side, we have a 4x and an x. Those will combine to give 5x minus 8. For the right-hand side, we have a 2x and a 3x. That'll combine to make 5x. But we're not done. We also have a -3 and a -5, which will combine to make -8. So our equation is now 5x minus 8 equal to 5x minus 8. Both sides are exactly the same expression. If we try to subtract 5x from both sides, what we end up with is -8 is equal to -8. This is always true. So this equation actually has infinitely many solutions. Every single value of x makes this equation true. Now let's summarize the 3 possible outcomes. If solving leads to some kind of statement like x equal to -2 or x equal to 5, something like that, then there will be one solution. If, on the other hand, solving leads to a false statement, like 7 equal to 5, that tells us that there is no solution. And if solving leads to a true statement, like -8 equal to -8, that tells us there are infinitely many solutions. As future elementary teachers, this is an important idea. Students may think every equation must have one answer, but equations are statements. Sometimes a statement is true for one value. Sometimes it's never true. Sometimes it's always true. The result of solving an equation tells us whether the equation has one solution, no solution, or infinitely many solutions.